Hi, my name is Tim Ballantyne. I'm the co-chairman of the CNY Bloom Show. I've been with the Bloom Show since the beginning as one of the people, of a group of people that got the show started. It's our 4th year now. It creates excitement. It gives children the ability to come down and smell and sniff a flower and be exposed to nature, and it's just a really great thing to get people excited to be involved in an industry that puts a smile on a person's face.
Name's Dave Iannuzzi. I'm a member of the Central New York Nursery and Landscape Association. This is our booth. We're a group of guys all in the organization, and they all volunteer to put this booth together. And this year the theme was flower power, so what else but to get a VW bus for our show. It's the magic bus, and in the magic bus you have to have the magic fog. Yeah, you'll know. You know, trying to cram a day before your finals, that's a fog. You'll know the magic fog. You'll figure it out. Everyone who wants to take a peek has either had one, rode in one, lived in one, something. It brings back those memories. The young kids love it, the color, and they want to get a picture in front of it, and all the older ones just reminisce about when they had one. And
all I got to say is, where were you in '69? Were you standing in the Congo line?
Stay right there. No, in '69 I never made it there. I was too young. How old were you? There you go. See, you got me by a couple years. I missed it by a couple years.
So here's my question for you, since I saw the sign. How much is the bus for?
In the nude Congo line.
Oh, you didn't have to tell me that. That's more information than I needed to know. Oh, man. So this is the bus. Again, sitting here, idle, but still functional, bringing the colors of spring, which is the idea of showing the show.